Hey, what's up guys, your boy IronSmasher 1024 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the PlayStation 1 Classic. And hopefully this is not a bootleg version, because I got this from Amazon. So let's go. Now let's see, I got this right here. Gotta get my drawer. Oh wait, I don't need to get my drawer. Box is right here. Box. Bought this on Amazon. And I thought, why not? Especially since the modding scene has been pretty interesting for this little mini console right here. And I also thought, why not? I have some interesting memories of playing Crash Bandicoot 1 on the PlayStation 1 whenever I brought my brothers at the time. Without further ado, here's the box, the side. Hopefully it's fine, because I don't know if mirror mode is on. It most likely is on, because I have to put it in a different perspective, because I don't have a... Even with a new desk, I don't have very much good way of doing video with, so I'm going to have to fix that eventually. And I'm also going to do this by using my phone record again, because it has a better camera quality, whereas my PC has shit on... No offense, computer. Anyway, without further ado, let's unbox it and see what we got inside. It does say no AC cord included, so I'm hoping that's not going to be an issue. Further ado, we have a box right here. It's not the original. I'm pretty sure it's not the original. It's like a remake because PS4 and 3 used this box layout. We gotta take this out. And where we are greeted with a few things. We have our booklet with the PlayStation information and all that, with the classic, the instruction manual, and at the end of the box. And then we have the unit itself. This is very small. This is much smaller than I was expecting. So right here on the box, we have the PlayStation 1 Classic itself. I did not expect it to be this small. Is this a bootleg version? This might be a bootleg version, actually. This is very small. Unless this is what it literally is, then I am very surprised, because it looks slightly bigger. Like, I know it's supposed to be small and shit, but it looks so much smaller than I saw on the pictures. Like, if you're going to get this, like, or if you've, like, never seen it before in person, you really need to see it. Like, damn. Because on here, when I put it closer, obviously it kind of looks almost like a bigger size, but this is my hand, and this is the joint compared. It's pretty impressive. And HDMI port in the back, and then we have the connector right here on this one. Very interesting. We do have more stuff, obviously. Over here we have the HDMIs, which is pretty good. Then on the sides, we do have the connector, which is very important. And then the funny part is that for some reason it gives me two controllers. It's giving me two of these controllers, which is very interesting. And it really does feel like the originals, that's for sure. And obviously what's interesting part is that the cord is USB, which is very interesting. And all that. Very, very interesting. Now, hopefully this is the actual cord for the system. I think it is, because I don't understand why it says right here, USB AC connector not included. I don't understand why it says that. Let's see here. I'm trying to figure out where it says that. Use the included cord to connect this console source. Okay, so this is a power source. Okay, so that means that this can connect to the back. Double checking. Okay, this can connect to the back. Okay, so this is the cord for the thing. This is USBs, but at the same time, because I do have a USB jack, I should be able to disconnect it no problem, so I might try that. What else? This is very interesting. Let me see how light the cord is, though. Like, ooh, okay, this is a good size cord. This is how big it is from distance, because obviously it's not good representation. But this is enough for me to just plug into my jack that is included, because I have an extension cord on my, well, it's a very special one, socket plug-in extension cord, whatever you want to call it, for my sockets that I use on my Switch and all that. And it comes with 2 USB ports, so probably it shouldn't be a health hazard. So I'll probably just be able to just plug it into that outlet and see where it goes from there. This is how far the cord is. I do plan on modding it, on mounting the console. But yeah, this is so small. Okay, I have to push it up. Okay, so it is kind of delicate. The only downside, this thing doesn't open. That's kind of obvious because it's a classic. Power, reset, and open. Yeah. So like I said, I do plan on modding in this. I did some research earlier today, and apparently there's a new system that they're using for these bad boys. That's very good for emulation or shit, and of course more ROMs. I hope I don't get into the issues with the USB issue, because apparently it's very piggy with certain USB formats and USB sticks. So hopefully mine will be fine. And yeah, I guess I could do a little quick video of plugging it in on the TV so it looks like. So alright everyone, so I was gonna hook this up to the Elgato, but I am kind of on a tight schedule. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Let's light up green. An alternated version of the original intro, not bad. I kind of prefer the original. Alright. Wow, a remix of the thing, alright. Ooh, it has the original font, like the original thing with the color. Yeah, Final Fantasy 7, wow. I'm actually playing remake and original, wow. GTA, Q, Jump Flash, Metal Gear Solid. I could actually play Metal Gear for once. Just gotta not be shitty. Rayman, Resident Evil, Persona. Ooh, this is actually not too bad. Like I said, I will probably mod mine because I got more games and all that part. I'm kind of shocked there's no Crash Bandicoot a little bit. I am, because I know people were talking about that, but it's not that bad. I've played Rayman multiple times. It's even on 3DS. Alright. Very interesting. Alright. The thing was, that's gonna end it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more unboxing videos of the games. And I hope you guys have a good one. Peace. I'm definitely gonna be mining this. Pog.